channel, and in this video we are going to learn about data validation in Excel. So data validation in Excel is very essential or is very important because it helps us to identify errors or to remove errors and improve the data quality. So let's begin, and we are going to have some set of things that we are going to conduct. We are going to have these sets of validation sets that we are going to conduct. So let's begin. So we want to validate the column for the employee ID, and the validation type will be the custom, and we want to put that must begin with EMP followed by the three numbers. So we are going to highlight the employment ID, go to data validation. So we want to have it as a custom, where is custom, and we are going to have so must followed by three numbers. Then we click OK. So let's see what happens when we break this rule. So let's say we edit this one to be 12. So the action will not be completed. We'll be told this value does not match the validation restriction defined for these cells. We move to the next one. We want to have a list of these departments. So we want to validate. We have this. So where is the department? We have the department here. Go to data validation. So we are going to have a list. I'm going to paste that list. Sorry. So I can type HR finance, IT, sales, procurement, marketing, logistic, operations, and then we click OK. Let's see what happens. So we have HR, finance, IT, sales. So let's put agriculture here and see what will happen. We're going to get this error. So we are done with these two. So let's highlight them. Then we are going to have in the position, we are going to have this list. So select the column, go to data validation. So we are going to have a list again, and we are going to have this list. So we are going to have this list. Click OK. So let's see if we have something like HR, the M&E. So it's not going to be added because we are already validated this column. So we are done with that. Let's move to age. So age, we want to validate that it's a whole number and it's between 18 and 60. So you select the column with the age, go to data, validation. So a whole number. So minimum should be 18, maximum 60, and you click OK. So we are done with this. So let's see if we have something like 21, we're going to get an error. Also, if we have something like 17 or something like 61, it is going to give you an error because we have validated that column to have between 18 and 60. So let's move on. We want gender. So where is gender here? You go to conditional formatting. Not conditional formatting, sorry. You go to data, data validation. Then you go to the list. Want to have male, female. Let's change it to be other. You'll get that error. So we are done with this. Employment. You select, go to data, data validation. So for the employment, we want to have a list and we want to have like full-time, part-time, contract, internship. So let's say we put attachment. You're going to get an error. So we are done with that. So start date. So select the start date. Go to data, data validation. So for the start date, we are going to have it as a date. Our start date will be, we specify 22 to today. Today is 01/2026. Let's see what happens if I have something like I did not validate everything. So let me repeat. It's okay. So let's say we have something like 0, 8, 20, 2018. You'll get the error. So this one is not changing because already we had this in. It was already filled. But if you want to fill it now, it is going to give you that error. So we have done that. We move on. We move to the salary. We want it to have it in a decimal and it be between 1,000 to 10,000. Where is salary? Yeah. Go to data validation. So we want to have it as a decimal. Minimum to be 1,000. Maximum to be 10,000. Apply. Let me put 500. I'll get the error. So we have done with the salary. So let's move on. We want to have the performance rating as a whole number between 1 to 5. So as a whole number between 1 to 5. Let's see what will happen if I have 6. I'll get the error. So we want to go to leave this as a whole number and it should be between 0 to 30. So leave this, go to data validation, whole number should be between, let me check, 0 to 30. And then you apply. Let us have 32 and see. We'll get the error. So let's go to email. Where is email? Here it is. Select it. Go to data validation. We want to have it as a custom. So the custom, so we want to have it as a custom. Then we have it at. So let's say that we have an email like, wait for this. So let's say we have this company.com. We're going to get the error. Let's finish with the last one. So we want phone number. Go to phone number. Where are the phone numbers? Do you have phone numbers? Yes, we have it here. It should be exactly 10 digits. Go to data validation, text length, minimum 10, maximum 10. Let's have something. Let's add 1 year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Let's add another one. We are going to get error because it's 11 now. So that's how you can do data validation and be able to avoid those errors that people make when they are doing the entries and improve your data quality. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more if you have not, and if you have subscribed, kindly turn on the notification button so that whenever a video is being uploaded, you get informed in time.